Hello dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss the negative regulation of receptor tyrosine kinase pathway. Negative regulation is shown by protein tyrosine phosphatase. These enzymes counteract RTK's activity by removing the phosphate groups added during the activation, a process called dephosphorylation. Second is allosteric inhibition. Other kinases such as protein kinase C recruited to receptor tyrosine kinases. They then phosphorylate parts of the receptor which inhibit kinase activity and prevent it from binding ligands effectively. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel and share with your friends. Thanks a lot.